welcome to this tutorial, and today I'm going to share with you how to design these types of logo. This is super easy to create this, and you need to, so if you want to create this logo, you need to follow these types of steps. So let's begin the tutorial. So to create this logo, we will select the polygon tool and left click your mouse button here. We will take radius around 50 and sides around 6 and click right click OK. So if you create a polygon and after that rotate the angle with shift press with your mouse click and rotate it like this. And after that, once you have rotated this, fill this up some lighter color from here maybe or somewhere else. And after that, we will use the line segment tool and fill it up with stroke color, some kind of black color. And after that, with the line segment tool, click here and drag and draw a line segment till here. One more from this to this point and one from this to this point. And after that, we have created that all the line segments. Select everything, deselect the polygon, go to object, path, join, and this will join one line segment and create it one object. And after that, select the line segment, go to object, path, divide object below, and this way the bodies into multiple pieces. And of that, select these two pieces with the Alt and Shift press, just click and drag. You have to duplicate another two pieces. Once you have created all this stuff, just scale this down a little bit. And after that, the last fill of the color, so select this with the eye picker, select the color with selection tool, select this eye picker, select the color. So V for selection, I for picking the color, V for selection, I for picking the color, V, I, V, I, V, I. In this way, we have filled up all the gradient color in the proper places, and you can see what we have got, what we have wanted. The only thing is how you can apply the color and how you could choose a perfect color. So once you have filled that the color, you will put the text, T for text, type out, POLY, poly, SKY, sky, and the font which we have using for this is Province Pro. Here you can see this is, and here we are using bold. And after that, if you go to the character, the capital double T options has been activated. So that's why all the fonts are in capital letter. So we will put this in its proper places, and finally we have created our logo. So this is how we can create these kinds of logo in a very simple and very few steps. Thank you so much for watching this video.